Hi, this is Pam. In this video, I'm going to show you a feature available in our business version called effort logging. So on the screen, I have a dashboard, and I'm going to go into the edit so I can show you some of the advanced settings. Notice here, if you are logged in with our business version, we actually have an option to check to enable effort logging. So you do this on a dashboard by dashboard basis, and what this means is that when we go out and send out an email to ask the status of each activity on a dashboard, we're also going to ask our team members to put in the number of hours that they worked on each of those activities. So I have that set. Now I'm going to go back to my basic settings, and I'm going to check to make sure that I'm showing the logged effort on the dashboard screen. So here I have that checked. Notice that we also have, you can show estimated effort, actual effort, which is a number that you actually enter in for each of your activities as opposed to logging. So now we'll go back and we'll save those settings. So now you notice here we have our logged effort showing here, and this would be the total for everyone across this list here, every team member on this particular activity. So it's actually the total amount of hours logged on a particular activity. So let's see how we can update ourselves. I'm going to show you sort of a simulation of what this would look like when you're emailing it to one of your team members by using this option that we have over here called Update Team Statuses for Activities. When I click on here, this is the same type of view that your team members would see when they get the email link for them to update their statuses. Notice that it shows we can actually choose which person's statuses we would like to update. So I'm going to let's update Tim's statuses and his hours. Notice that these are all the items that Tim is responsible for. And we're just going to go, and I'm just going to do this since this is just for a demo. I'm just going to go and put some hours in here so that we can see them. So now I update the status, and it shows that my updates have been applied. This allows me to quickly go back and change for another person. And now I'm going to look here at the view my effort logs. So I'm going to search by the dashboard that I was just on. So now I just have that MES dashboard here. This effort logs table actually allows you to search on any of these different column headings. So for activities, I can just look at things that have the word approval in them, back that out. I can look just for Tim as a team member. I can use date entered. I can even do a search up here if I don't know what column something appears in. I can just do a search up there. So you'll see that this shows for Tim for the MES dashboard. You see we have a total here of 29 hours that have been recorded, and you see the dates. So this gives you a lot of flexibility to be able to just see a grouping of logged records so that you can get some more information about it for each person. And of course you can print this as well. If you see that the person made a mistake or the hours were just too high, or you want to credit back hours, you can always go and you can edit it. And let's change this to 2. And when I come back now, it just shows 2 hours. So that's how that works. And now if you want to create new effort logs right from here, takes you right back to this screen here. And so that's how you can kind of toggle back and forth between adding your logging hours. So back at the dashboard, we see all of these hours that are logged, and you can use this to help you keep track of how many hours were used against what was actually estimated for a particular activity. I hope you have found this to be useful. Be sure to check out our other videos at statdash.com.